name, your email. You're going to fill in a couple of questions like, what niche would this template be in? Fill out this quick survey over here. And in 24 hours, you're going to be tagged on our actual Facebook group. Under funnel library, you're going to see your funnel page template under funnel library under the category. Hey, what is up, all you beautiful funnel hackers? I heard that the funnel library wasn't enough for you. I heard, matter of fact, that you need a funnel page template designed completely from scratch, completely custom towards your specifics. And I heard you need it done within the next 24 hours. Yeah, I know that might sound crazy. Matter of fact, I know that might sound even close to impossible. But let me show you something that Funnel Hacker Lab does a little bit differently. Funnel Hacker Labs, as soon as you hop into our little app over here, we have a page over here called Design on Demand. Now, matter of fact, this is so on demand that as soon as you fill out the survey, it will go to our internal team. And within the 24 hours, which is our turnaround time, you will have this custom funnel done for you. I mean, done for you within 24 hours. Oh, wait, did I say it'll be done for you within 24 hours? All right, guys, so we're really on some real stuff. So guys, it's really simple. If you want a custom funnel page template designed for you, regardless if it's ClickFunnels or if it's GoHighLevel, and you need this done ASAP, because if you're like anybody else where you want things done now, not tomorrow, not in 3 days, look no further. All right, guys, so hop on this design on demand section over here, fill in a couple of questions, obviously your name, your email. You're going to fill in a couple of questions like, what niche would this template be in? So either credit repair, solar, fitness, whatever it is, type your niche over here. So let's do one for ourselves. Don't tell anybody. My first name is actually Nathaniel, but everybody calls me Blake. My email, leah@theprojectalpha.com. What niche would this template be in? I like credit repair, but let's say because I always talk about credit repair. Let's do for example, SPA, spa. All right. Describe any specifics that you like to see on this funnel page template. I would love to see a slide show of features that are in my spa. For example, a massaging person, for example, a picture of my masseuse. Oh, wow. I do not know how to spell that. I am sorry, guys. My masseuse, my cryotherapy chamber. Cryotherapy. I'm so bad at spelling. I understand, and I really don't understand. I really don't know how much stuff is in the spa. Maybe they have those things, those fish that eat your feet or something like that, and a picture and information about those fish that eat dead skin off of your feet. As you can tell, I don't go to spas very often, so obviously you guys will probably know a lot more than me, but that's just an example, okay? So I want like a little slideshow on there that shows off a couple of features that we have. The fish thing that eats your dead skin. We have the cryotherapy chamber, and maybe a picture of our masseuse doing some deep tissue massages. I don't know, whatever you want to have on it, just put it on there, all right? A little slideshow. Now let's say, for example, we have a URL that we might like. Let me look up one really quick. All right, let's go over here. Boom. This sounds like an amazing spa. Matter of fact, we love this one. So we're going to take this one without even really looking at it, but let's say we like this. We're going to take it and boom, right there. Okay. And what we're also going to do is we're going to import our Facebook profile URL. The reason why we do this is actually we have a good reason why we're going to do this. Let me explain why. Because on our Facebook group, whenever we're done with our actual funnel page, our custom funnel, what we do is we take a little quick video of that and we post it onto our Facebook group called Funnel Hacker Lab. So we scroll down over here. So the post we made over there, keep on scrolling. here's a good example over here. So one of our designers posted one about a blog. Somebody over here wanted a blog done for them. So what we did is we finished up the designing and everything. We actually made 3 different type of templates for them, and we posted onto our Funnel Hacker Lab group. And what we did is we tagged the person that requested this one. So for example, Glenn Martin requested these blog templates. So as soon as you finish it, once again, our turnaround time is 24 hours. As soon as you finished it, we put the little video preview onto our group over there. We tag the person that requested, for example, Glenn Martin. And then what we do is you hop over to the funnel library, and on the funnel library, go to the category of like spa or whatever it is, and you can find it right there, guys. So what we're going to do over here, we're going to do like facebook.com/natblade, which is my Facebook URL profile. And that's it, guys. All you do is you press submit, guys. And from there, the information's directly sent over to our processing team. All right. Our team of amazing, fantastic, creative, beautiful funnel design developers, funnel template developers or designers, and they instantly would make one within 24 hours for you, and they would tag you in the Facebook group. So guys, it's really not that complicated. All you got to do, once again, just to recap real quick, go design to demand, fill out this quick survey over here, and in 24 hours, you're gonna be tagged on our actual Facebook group with a preview of your funnel page template on there, a little video preview. You'll be tagged on there, and once you're tagged on there, I mean, like the post, you can show some love, like post. And then we're going to see over there is under funnel library, you're going to see your funnel page template under funnel library under the category that it is in. So like the niche, for example. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope it's informative, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. And if you actually want to join the community of amazing funnel hackers, guys, it's only $67 a month for now. And if you want to join, guys, the link will be down below. I'll talk to you all later, and I'll see you at the top. Peace out, guys.